Pacing mares lined up for tonight's 10th race to kick off the late double. A full field of 10 moving in behind the starting gate, and the gate is rolling. And the Rolf Kilowatts Fantasy, a change of tactics tonight. She blasts out for the early lead. Keen Supreme also left well. Tierra's Bluff looks for good early position as they barrel into the opening turn. It's Keen Supreme who reigns supreme early. She's up to take over for Jeff Smith. Tierra's Bluff continues on, though, on the outside from second. Kilowatts Fantasy away in third. Dutch's Charm came away racing from fourth. Premier Cami Kane fifth in front of Lima Playmate, who away in sixth as they race past the opening quarter, 27-3. And Tierra's Bluff, the 19-1 outsider, wants the top, and now she's got it from Keen Supreme, who's now back in second. Kilowatts Fantasy is third as Dutch's Charm remains in fourth, and Keen Supreme was not content with the pocket. Now Smith puts her back on the point. So Keen Supreme and Tierra's Bluff continue to trade jabs here as they race towards the half. Kilowatts Fantasy just off the top pair in third. Dutch's Charm remains in fourth. Premier Cami Kane is fifth. Lima Daydream to the outside sixth. Past the half, 55-4. So plenty of early pace here. That'll Be Sweet is up on the outside seventh. Dolly's Joy Tracks cover from eighth. Here I Am Cool Water Nowhere to Go ninth. And Sexy Smile has been shuffled back and is the trailer. And Keen Supreme takes him around the far turn. Kilowatts Fantasy a length back down the outside second. Dutch's Charm moves up on the outside third. Tierra's Bluff begins to back up along the inside fourth. Premier Cami Kane is three wide from fifth as they race through three quarters in 1:24-3. Keen Supreme still clinging to the lead at the top of the lane. Kilowatts Fantasy tucked in for a brief breather there in second. Dutch's Charm now moves to the outside as they hit mid-stretch. Keen Supreme still the one to reel in. Dutch's Charm is up on the outside for Loney. Kilowatts Fantasy third as they drive for the finish. Dutch's Charm, Keen Supreme. Dutch's Charm goes by to win it from Keen Supreme. Kilowatts Fantasy third. Dolly's Joy was fourth in 1:53. Dutch's